Make a great choice today with the 2013 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find cruise control, transmission temperature gauge, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, child seat anchors, one-touch windows, The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.